what can you do to get ready for life with your newborn? Well, we've already talked about the importance of managing visitors and getting plenty of rest and chance for recovery in a couple of the other videos. But another element of good recovery is a good, balanced, nutritious diet. So if whilst you're pregnant you can stock up your freezer with as many ready meals, homemade or bought, as possible, then that will really be helpful in the first few weeks when you'll find cooking anything more than perhaps a bowl of cereal to be quite challenging, as you're either feeding your baby and pinned to the sofa, or you're holding your baby and rocking them and calming them and trying to wind them. So there may be little time left behind for caring for yourself and your needs. As well as having your supply of food, you want to have a good setup ready for your baby's supply of food. So your time will be spent largely feeding your baby in the early weeks, so having a feeding station set up both upstairs and downstairs, so wherever you are you've got everything to hand, whether that be pillows and cushions, whether that be plenty of water to drink, a good supply of Netflix or box sets to watch whilst you're feeding, your phone to hand, whatever it is that you need, have it set up and ready to go for the lengths of time that you're going to be feeding. It may also be helpful to have a changing station set up both upstairs and downstairs, particularly if you've had a cesarean. Carrying your baby upstairs to change them every little while, every sort of hour or two, can be very tiring for cesarean mums. So if you can just bring your baby down in the morning and then spend the day downstairs before needing to go back up again in the evening, you'll probably find that you are a lot less exhausted. So having a changing mat, cotton wool and water, clean nappies, muslins, whatever it is that you need, all to hand in two places, will probably make your life much easier. You also might find it beneficial to have the midwife's phone number for your local community midwife, and your health visitor's phone number, and the phone numbers for any sources of breastfeeding support that you can get your hands on, whether that be NCT or La Leche League or your local children's centre or an independent lactation consultant. Anyone who might be able to offer you help if you are struggling with breastfeeding at all, have them all in one place so you can contact whoever you need. And the other people you might want to contact are any friends you've got who are due at around the same time as you. It could be the members of your antenatal group, or it could be friends further afield. But if you can create a WhatsApp or a Facebook group and then be able to access them in the middle of the night when you're feeding yet again and are wondering who else is out there, you may find that that brings you a great deal of support and reassurance.